गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। हेलो रुखसार जुल्फान, कैसे हो बेटा? ऑल आर फाइन, enjoying the holidays? Okay, coming topic first in science. Topic first is crop protection and management. I taught you earlier about it, and whenever I think all of you almost complete your question and answer in this topic also. Manish, Hebraj, Wasim, Arbaj, all of, I think your copies also checked. I am not sure about Rahul and Vishal. Your work is also complete. Okay, let's see. Topic first. Crop protection management. Crops, that means all of you know about it. In a particular area, a lot of plants growing same type of in a particular area, that is known as crop. Crop means some of basic things. In first we have to level the land, after it then we sowing seeds, and sowing seeds then adding fertilizer. Here in India we have some of practice about the crops. Most of our Indian people, the farmers living in the village, that they have only one source of irrigation, that is monsoon. Also we have some of the tubewells and wells, but the water when go and per day going deeper and deeper and deeper. Some of the areas are declared as the dark zone. Our secret is also the dark zone, let me tell you. So we have some of methods of the irrigation here. Some people they using the sprinkler system, water पद्धति आप लोग जानते होंगे. Some have other type of the systems. Some have canals. In our Hanumangarh analysis of the areas, there we have the Indira Gandhi Canal, main source of the irrigation on that area. As we sowing seeds in the farms, the farmer have their own farms. After, after some days of the sowing seeds, the seed gets germinated, and farmer need to protecting his crop from the weeds. Weeds that mean खरपतवार, घास फूस उगा के फसलों के अंदर किसान जो होते हैं, फार्मर्स होते हैं, वो लोग क्या करते हैं, उसमें से धीरे धीरे उसको निकालेंगे वहां से. वीड्स बोलते हैं उनको, खरपतवार बोलते हैं. हम लोग हमारे भाषा में उसको निदान करना कहते हैं. आई थिंक सो. That means protecting the crop from the weeds, and thus they have time to time irrigated and allow time. Indra Devata be also kind on us. Otherwise, use your own wells for the irrigation, and in this way, I think I told you earlier about it. Harvesting, I taught you in your classroom. In storage, how recently in this lockdown farmers facing a huge problem due to this coronavirus. सभी की फसलें तैयार थी, अब बेचे तो बेचने कहां जाए? Then government set up some of the mandis, and there farmers can sell all crop. One of, I think it did not become the law, but our parliament cabinet passed a adhyadesh. A farmer now can sell his crops wherever he wants in all nation. पूरे देश में जहां कहीं भी चाहे अपनी फसल बेच सकता है. ऐसा भी हाल ही में एक अध्यादेश जारी हुआ, क्योंकि कोरोना वायरस की वजह से हमें बहुत समस्या भोगनी पड़ी थी. आई थिंक ये टॉपिक मैं करवा चुका हूं आप लोगों को पहले की क्लास में भी। इसके टोटली क्वेश्चन आंसर्स हो जाने चाहिए। हाउ टू सबमिट मी, जब कर लो आप लोग, click the photo and send me. You can send me on my WhatsApp on our school's portal, but you have to complete your work RT, कोई बहाना नहीं, all of the listen very well, my and not once I know आप सब लोगों ने एक बार कर लिया है, फिर से कीजिएगा, then learn it, then test 3-4 more times. Okay, it's all for today.